that will be matched. Okay. Now, if I give multiple conditions and condition, we are having sales and officer both. Here you can see, I had given two, department as sales, designation as officer. Similarly, I can go to this query. I want to see the roll number 1 of 8th A class. I want to see the roll number 1 of 8th A class. I can give here roll number 1. Okay. What will happen? It will show me the records of only roll number 1. Clear? Clear है सबको? Okay. Now, this is the multiple criteria condition. Again, select query. Or means if I put some condition in or in the same column, it will give you the records of both the criteria that matches, and means it will match in multiple columns. It will match the values. Okay. Now, yesterday we had created these accounts department, purchase department, sales department, or any number of departments are there. We have to create the query for separately for each department to see the employees of that department. But I told you there is a parameter query. We can use the parameter query where it will ask me the parameter, will ask me the input, and I can enter the department name and it will give me the records of that department. सेम मेथड है, कोई चेंज नहीं है. क्रिएट टैब, क्वेरी डिजाइन, क्रिएट अ क्वेरी, add the field names that you want to add. Okay. Now what will happen in the criteria? जो भी criteria, जिस field में criteria आपने लगाना है, in the criteria just put square brackets. Square brackets में you will type the message that you want to display in the dialog box. Here I'm typing the message, enter department name and close the square brackets. Only one thing you have to remember, put the square bracket. This thing is not given in book. Parameter query book में explain नहीं की हुई है. So if you want to note down, you can note down. Parameter query, you have to give criteria. In the criteria row, you have to give the message that you want to display in the dialog box, and that message will be given in square brackets. Now run it. See, enter department name. Message आ रहा है. If I enter sales, click on OK, it will give me the records of sales department. Again run कर रही हूँ. If I enter accounts, it will give me the employees of accounts department. Now, if I save this query, I'm going to save it. I save this query as department query. Now, I do not need all these queries, accounts, purchase, and sales. मुझे यहाँ पे 3 queries ये नहीं चाहिए, because this single query will do my work. I can delete them. It cannot be deleted. Why? Because all the queries are open. Okay. Now I'm going to delete it. Now only one query is there, department query. I can open it. I can give the department name that I want to see, and the employees of that department will be visible. Clear? Good now? Okay. Now you will tell me the steps. I'm going to create a query for students. I want to see the contact information for a particular class students. जैसे मुझे 8th A के students देखने हैं, 8th B के देखने हैं, 8th C के देखने हैं, 8th D के देखने हैं, कि जिस भी क्लास को मैं एंटर करूं उस क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स का मुझे मोबाइल नंबर डिस्प्ले करे. नाउ यू विल टेल मी द स्टेप्स हाउ आई क्रिएट अ क्वेरी. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप? Unmute yourself. Give me the answer. What is the first step?
Create tab.
Create tab. Okay.
Queries group.
Queries group.
Query design option.
Query design or query wizard.
Okay. Now query design हो गया. Now
table option.
Select the table. Click on add.
Add.
Click on close. Now add the fields. How I will add the fields? Two methods I told you.
Double click the
Double click
double
on drag them.
Field name or drag the field name. Okay. Now what we where we will write the criteria?
In criteria.
criteria.
Under which field I should write the
Criteria row.
criteria? Under which field? क्लास रोल नंबर कॉन्टेक्ट इन्फो किस फील्ड के नीचे लिखना है मुझे क्राइटेरिया?
Class.
क्लास. ओके, क्या लिखूं? यस सोमिल, क्या लिखना चाहिए मुझे यहाँ पे?
8A.
8A, B or C or D.
तो message. Here it should be message. I have to type a message. Whatever message you want to display in the dialog box, and that message should be written in
Square brackets.
square brackets. Put the
Square
square bracket. I'm going to type a message. Which class you want to view? And close the square bracket. ठीक है, मैसेज कुछ भी हो सकता है, जो मैसेज आप लिखोगे दैट विल बी डिस्प्लेड. ओके, नाउ रन इट. विच क्लास यू वांट टू व्यू? मैसेज आ रहा है मेरे पास, मैंने एंटर किया 8A. क्लिक ऑन ओके. 8A इज डिस्प्ले. ठीक है, आई कैन सेव इट. सेव द क्वेरी. आई एम सेविंग इट एज क्लास क्वेरी. Now, whenever I run it, it will ask me which class you want to view. I enter 8D. Okay. It is giving me the records of 8D. What is the command for running a query? What is the command for running a query?
Design tab.
Design tab,
run option.
Okay.
Run option.
Okay. First of all, you have to go to the design view. Okay. So view में change करके I'm going to the design view. Now there is a design tab, results group, run option. Design tab, results group, run option. Okay. Okay. What is the command for creating a query?
Create tab, queries,
Query
main or query wizard option.
Okay. Create
Query
tab,
wizard
queries
option.
group, query
Query
design
wizard.
or query wizard
Query
option.
wizard option.
Okay. Clear? Okay. Queries are clear. Now in the next classes, we will do the forms and reports. Presently in today's class, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple form without any formatting or without any changes. By default settings के साथ एक form कैसे create होता है. ठीक है? But in the next classes, we will learn how to create a form how to format the form or how to make changes in the form. It is very, very easy to create a form. You just have to select the table name on the basis of which you want to create a form. Again, create tab, forms group, form option. There are many options: blank form, form design, form wizard, navigation, more forms. I can use only form option. Nothing. आपको कुछ नहीं किया, form create हो गया. It is giving me the field names and their text boxes in which I can enter the values. In table, I can view the records, all the records of the table in row and column format simultaneously. मैं simultaneously पूरा वो sheet की तरह आपको पूरे records, सारे records और सारे fields नजर आते हैं. But in forms, you can view only one record at a time, and that is more user friendly. Now I can here navigation buttons are given at the bottom. I can click on the next. It will give me the second record. Next, third record, next, fourth record, next, fifth record. Okay, so I can go to the last record, or I can go to the first record, I can go to the previous record, or I can go to the blank record. Okay, blank record. So I can click here and it will give me the blank fields and I can enter the record. This is a by default view. Form has 3 views: design view, format view, design view, layout view, and form view. This is the layout view. Okay, what is the difference between all the 3 views? I will tell you. Design view, you can make changes in the design of the form, but you cannot enter the data, you cannot view the data. आपका data ना तो नजर आएगा, ना आपका enter होगा. आप सिर्फ उसमें अपने डिजाइन की फॉर्मेटिंग कर सकते हो. लाइक मुझे ये टेक्स्ट बॉक्सेस के कलर्स चेंज करने हैं, बॉर्डर्स देने हैं, फॉन्ट चेंज करना है, ये मुझे फील्ड नेम चेंज करने हैं, इनके कलर्स चेंज करने हैं, इनको मूव करके इनकी प्लेसमेंट चेंज करनी है फॉर्म के ऊपर, या मुझे कंपनी का लोगो लगाना है, हेडर लगाना है, यहाँ पे पिक्चर चेंज करनी है. ऑल दीज थिंग्स कैन बी डन इन द डिजाइन व्यू. लेआउट व्यू क्या करता है? लेआउट व्यू जस्ट डिस्प्ले द रिकॉर्ड्स एंड यू कैन मेक सम चेंजेस इन द डिजाइन. यू कैन चेंज द प्लेसमेंट. आप उसकी कुछ चीजें चेंज कर सकते हो. ठीक है, you can make some changes in the design and you can view the table. We can view the record. जैसे अभी मैं view कर रहे थे हम लोग table records को, yes, but I cannot enter the record. Again, I am not able to enter the record. Can enter the record only in form view. Form view display the record. It can allow you to make changes in the record. Okay, it will save the changes. Base table में ये changes reflect करेंगी. And I can click on the new record, blank record, and it will show me the blank record. I can enter the new record.
मैम लेआउट टैब में क्या होता है?
लेआउट टैब में सिर्फ डाटा व्यू हो सकता है और थोड़ी सी चेंजेस हो सकती हैं डिजाइन में. Okay?
ओके मैम.
Okay, I'm entering the new record. Suppose what name I should take? Okay, department designation. Okay, again click on next. That record has been saved. Even on the save side, you can click on this save option, home tab, records group, save option. You can click on refresh. Okay, I can go to the employee table, open it. You can see here this record has been added. जो new record मैंने अभी add किया है. ठीक है. Similarly, Lucas का name हमने कुछ change किया था एक में, Calvin ये. ठीक है. This change has also been reflected in the table, and the same changes will be reflected in queries also. ठीक है. They will be reflected in queries also. Here you can see this record has been added. Clear? Any question? Anybody? Any question? Anything? Any point which is not clear? You can ask me.
No.
Now all of you are having a task. आप सबका एक task है. आपका जो भी ये table आपका बना हुआ है, employee table, you will create the queries and you will create the form. Simple form create करेंगे आज आप सब लोग. ठीक है. All of you will create a form and make the data entry of at least 5 more employees by using the form. Okay. You will enter 5 more employees by using the form.
मैम कोई भी 4 साइज हो सकते हैं.
Already you had created the form of employee
Yes.
table ना. Table employee table आपके
Yes,
पास
ma'am.
है, student table आपके पास है. So that I'm saying कि आप use the table, create 2 queries and 1 form. If you do the practice only, then you will be able to learn the things. Otherwise अभी class में देखा steps समझे, शाम तक भूल जाएंगे, आपको याद भी नहीं रहेंगे कि हमने क्या करना है. How to create a new form, Chapuji? You just have to go to the create tab and click on the form option. Just I did it. See, create tab, form option. Just select the table that you want to use as a form.
मैम फॉर्म्स ग्रुप है वो।
Forms group form option. See, you are having this. Okay, I can move this. This is a layout tab. In the layout tab, I can view the records as well as I can make changes. Here a few format tabs are available to you use in the form. We will discuss all these things in detail. Okay, in the next class. Format may you can have the background image, you can have the fill colors, you can have the font colors, you can change the fonts like this. Okay, clear? Layout tab, you can view the records as well as you can make a few changes in the designing of the form. In the design tab, when you go to the design tab, it will give you only the design. आपको यहाँ पे अलग अलग single column, single field form अलग अलग modify कर सकते हैं. Okay, then in the form view, you can enter. You cannot make changes in the design. You just have to enter the information. Student name. Address. Date of birth. This will be entered in the base table. Okay, save it, refresh it. It will be entered in the base table. See, this field has been added. This record has been added. Okay, we can make the data entry by using the form. Usually when you use the websites, any website, or you register yourself or create your IDs, you get a form. And whatever information you enter in a form, that information is saved in the database of the website, in the base tables. Okay, clear?